Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning video. Today we are going to learn about active voice and passive voice, an important topic in English grammar. Understanding active and passive voice will help you focus on the subject or the action in a sentence and use English more effectively in speaking and writing. What is voice in grammar? In grammar, voice shows the relationship between the subject and the action or verb in a sentence. There are two types of voice. First, we have active voice, and second, we have passive voice. Let's discuss them one by one. Active voice. A sentence is in active voice when the subject performs the action. The pattern is first subject plus verb plus object. For example, she writes a letter. They clean the classroom. The teacher explains the lesson. Active voice is clear, direct, and commonly used in daily communication. And why do we use active voice? We use active voice when we want to clearly show who does the action. The sentence needs to be simple and strong. We are speaking or writing informally. For example, I finished my homework. Passive voice. A sentence is in passive voice when the subject receives the action. For the for the parent, is subject plus to be plus past participle or verb 3. For example, a letter is written by her. The classroom is cleaned by them. The lesson is explained by the teacher. In passive voice, the focus is on the action or the subject, not the doer. When do we use passive voice? We use passive voice when the doer is unknown, the doer is not important, and we want to focus on the result or process. For example, the window is broken. The exam was held yesterday. Active versus passive comparison. In active, the chef cooks the meal, and in passive, the meal is being cooked by the chef. Another one, in active, someone stole my bike, and in passive, my bike was stolen. Notice that in passive voice, is by plus subject can be omitted if it's not necessary. Passive voice in different tenses. In simple present, active is she makes a cake, and in the passive, a cake is made. In simple past is active, he repaired the car. In passive, the car was repaired. In simple future, active, they will announce the result. In passive, the result will be announced. Important notes: only verb with object can be changed to passive voice. Passive voice always use to be plus past participle or verb 3. Not all sentences need passive voice. To summarize, active voice, in active voice, the subject does the action. In passive voice, the object receives the action. Active voice is more common, while passive voice is used when the focus is on the action or result. Maybe that's all for today's lessons about active and passive voice. Keep practicing by changing active sentence into passive ones. Thank you for watching and see you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.